In this video, we will download and install the requirement tool to start with Django. While the Django is built on the Python, so you need the Python. I suppose you already installed the Python because it is in the requirement of our course. So open the terminal and just type Python to check if the Python is already installed. So Python 3.7.4 is installed in my Windows. Sometimes the terminal doesn't recognize the Python, so we should add the Python path into our paths. So simply from the search button, just type Python. This is Python app. Right click and click on open file location. Again, right click and open file location. Right click and copy. Right click on this PC and click on properties, advanced system setting, environment variables. Under system variables, click on the path and then click on new and paste the path. I already add this path into environment variables. Also, we need to the pip library. So first, just type exit and empty bracket. This function helping us to get out from the Python. So just type pip. He showed me a set of comments related to this library. So that means my terminal recognize this library. The pip library is already embedded in the modern versions of the Python, so you don't need to install this library. This library is used to download some package related to the Python. So for example, in our course, we will download the Django by using this library. There are a set of comments related to the pip library. For example, /v give me the version of this library. So pip v capital. So the version of pip library I have is 19.2.2. Sometimes the terminal also doesn't recognize this library, so we need to add the path of this library into our environment variables. So open the Python folder and this time open the script folder. Here is the pip library. So right click and copy, and again open the environment variables window. This time under the user variables, click on the path and click new and paste the path of the library. I already add this path into my environment variables. It is better to upgrade the pip library to the latest version. So you just need to type this command: Python pip install upgrade pip. He tell me that the requirement already up to date. The second command, we need to install virtual environment, and this step is optional. But sometimes you work on a certain version of Python or Django and you need some library from the other version. So in this case, the virtual environment can help us. So all you need is just type this command: pip install virtual env. That means you ask the pip library to install the virtual environment. Also type the third command to install Django: Python pip install Django. Also we ask the pip library to install the Django. After the virtual environment and the Django have been installed on your computer, we should create our first virtual environment. But first, we need to change directory to the folder that we need to create our first virtual environment in it. So I will move to the partition F and then dir to show all the folders inside the F partition. If I need to open this folder, just type explorer space dot. We can create new folder either from the new folder button or from the terminal. So mkdir and then the name of the folder. For example, virtual_env. If I want to change dir into this folder, just type cd, which means change dir, and then the name of the folder virtualenv. If I type dir to show me all the files inside this virtualenv, as you can see 000 byte, that means the file is empty. Here we can create our first virtual environment. So by using this command virtualenv and then the name of our virtual environment, env1 or any other name, we can see that in this folder env1 there is script file. Inside the script file there is activate option. So we need to open inside env1 and then inside secrets to activate our virtual environment. So just type this command env1 secrets activate. As you can see between brackets env1, that means the virtual environment env1 is activated. We can create other folder to put the Django projects inside it. So either from new folder button or from the terminal, mkdir and then the name of the file, for example Django, and then change the directory inside this folder Django, so cd Django. Here we can create our first project in Django. So just type this command Django admin start project, one word, and then the name of our project, for example my site 3. We need to change dir into my site 3, so cd and then my site 3. If I type dir, he show me all the files inside my site 3. As you can see, there are two folders, the folder my site 3 and the Python file manage.py. We can open this project by using PyCharm. So we can open PyCharm and click on open from fpartition, virtualenv, Django and my site 3. Click on OK. This is our project my site 3. So this is the folder my site 3 and manage.py, the Python file. Now we need to run our project. So just type this command python manage.py run server, one word. But first we need to check our path in the terminal. As you can see the path f virtualenv and inside the folder Django. We notice that inside our folder Django there are a lot of projects. For example my site 2, my site 3. Our project is my site 3. So simply type cd my site 3 and then dir, he show me the files inside my site 3, which is the folder my site 3 and manage.py. Whenever you see manage.py, this means you are in the correct path. To run our first project, just type this command python manage.py run server. He tell me that our project is run on this link. So copy this link and open your browser and paste it and press enter. This is our empty project. But as you can see, you have 17 unapplied migration. So we have 17 unupdated files. First, he told me that if you need to quiet the server, just press on Ctrl+C. So how to apply the migration? Simply just type this command python manage.py migrate. Now if I press up arrow, I can move between the comments in the terminal. We can run the server again by using this command, python manage.py run server, and again we can get out from the server by pressing on Ctrl C.